today we're gonna go to Midi Eurostar. Sakay tayo ng tram going to Midi and then going to Amsterdam by train. So see you there. Good morning. Let's go. Werkendal. Werkendal. Sakay tayo ng Lemonier. So itatap natin tong card. Thank you Ludwig dito sa card. So 11 rides. Uy. Shoutouts pare Albert. So we're here. Gare du Midi. Gare du Midi, guys. Yes. I'm gonna go to Eurostar. Let's go. Spoor 5 V's Fem Tessa 5 Zone A5 ito eh. Oh, 5 eh. 5. Ano na mata? Hindi mo mabata pa eh. Dito tayo, Bue 5. Spor. Spora naman sa Swedish. Ayan na, Eurostar. Yes! Eurostar 653. Eurostar guys. Isa pa isa eh. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Ano ta? Kita mo? Kita mo na yung papel.
Okay, mga ma-remember.
1637. 16 37 38. Ito 15 na to eh, 15. Yes, exciting guys. Train going to Amsti. Tapos sa susunod naman sa summer vacation natin, kung di tayo makakauwi, ano tayo naman, Germany. Yan. Luxembourg, Germany, and so on and so forth. European tour tayo guys, Europe tour. Habang kasali pa sila sa European Union guys. Ay, baliktad guys. Enjoy. À destination.
Partira de la voie 4B. Spoor 4B, de TGV naar Marseille-Saint-Charles van 6 uur 27 zal vertrekken van spoor 4B. Gleis 4B, der TGV nach Marseille-Saint-Charles. Planmäßige Abfahrt 6 Uhr 27. Wir abfahren von Gleis 4B, Track 4B.
Oh, isa sa pinaka-sexy na language sa buong mundo, yung French. Parang sexy niya.
Pailong pa yung sauna.
Paano yung I love you? Jitem. Oh, Jitem too. Oh. Let's go. So, walang seat number guys. Ha?
Sa side.
Saan?
Ay, hindi.
Paano makita yung seat number? Dapat baka may lalabas dito sa screen. No, wala. Ayan guys, nag-stroll lang kami sa loob. Pumasok na kami, walang tao. Oh, picture.
Pero ganda at ito gaw tapay.
Hanapin daw ni Madam. Ang upuan ni Madam. Siya ang bida dito guys. Kasi birthday. Birthday girl. Alright guys, let's try the bathroom tour now. Okay. The ever famous bathroom tour. Alright. Sikip. Ang sikip guys. Parang eroplano lang. Mas maluwang yung sa ano, train namin sa wala pang view. Wala pang view guys. Mamaya pag may wanag na. Against the light.
Passengers, good morning. Shortly we'll be arriving at Antwerp Central Station. Our train will continue
Antwerp.
to Rotterdam, Schiphol Airport and Amsterdam Central Station. Before getting off the train, please check that you have
Arriving Antwerp Station. I only watched the some series Netflix in Antwerp. Antwerpen Central.
En vers central, qui est situé côté droit dans le sens de marche du temps. Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. The platform is situated on the right side of the travel direction.
Nothing much naman. Ano lang to? Station.
Schiphol Luchthaven in Amsterdam Centraal als één bestemming van deze trein. We wensen u een aangename reis. Mesdames et messieurs, voyageurs, bonjour. Au nom de l'ensemble du personnel, je souhaite la bienvenue aux voyageurs qui viennent de nous rejoindre à Anvers Central à bord de cette Eurostar vers Amsterdam Central. Ce train desservira encore les gares de Rotterdam Central, Schiphol Aéroport. Deze trein rijdt vervolgens verder naar Schiphol Luchthaven in Amsterdam Centraal. Kijkt u voor het uitstappengoed nou u niet tevreden bent en bedankt dat u voor Eurostar heeft gekozen. Voor veiligheidsredenen geliefd wacht om de trein volledig staat voor ieder openen. En nog onze excuses voor deze vertraging van ongeveer 20 minuten. Mesdames et messieurs, voyageurs, bonjour, bienvenue aux Pays-Bas. Nous entrons en gare à Rotterdam Central. Ce train continuera ensuite vers Schiphol Aéroport et Amsterdam Central. Si vous nous quittez ici, vérifiez que vous n'oubliez aucun bagage à bord. Merci d'avoir choisi Eurostar. Veuillez attendre l'arrêt complet du train avant d'ouvrir les portes. Nos excuses encore pour ce retard d'environ 20 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, the passengers, we arrive at Rotterdam Central Station and welcome in the Netherlands. Our train will continue after Rotterdam to Schiphol Airport on...
Netherlands Airport. Zaanstad, Amsterdam. Alright, dito tayo sa Amsterdam Central Station. Pwede na tayong umuwi. Pakita na natin yung view. Kukuha na natin yung view. Uwi na tayo guys. Kaso mamaya pa yung balik natin. 6 PM. Maghapon tayo dyan. Libot-libot guys. Yung malobat. Multi full charge to. Alright. Let's go. See you later guys. Nakikita lang natin yung buildings. Ganda. Architectural designs. Parang malayo sa central na. Tataksi yata tayo.
Amsterdam Centraal, eindstation. Het perron bevindt zich rechts van de rijrichting.
Amsterdam Central Station.
Terminus de Centraal, qui est situé côté droit dans le sens d'un train. Amsterdam Central.
Welcome till Amsterdam.
Beste reizigers, door werkzaamheden rijden er geen
Right,
treinen
let's go.
tussen Den Haag Centraal en
Down Amsterdam. We don't have any itinerary yet, so we just follow the people. Let's go outside. Let's go. Oh, ganda guys. Amsterdam. Discover the city. Saan tayo pupunta? Guys. Discover the city. Ano bang mga ano dito? Tourist park. Museum Plain. Dam.
Plan is
Alright.
place.
Video. This is the central station guys. Ganda rin no. Architectural design niya. Central Station. Amsterdam Central Station. And then here, alright. Sentro na tayo guys. Kaya pagpunta kayo dito, Amsterdam Central by train. So bakit Amsterdam napili ko? Ito nasa top of my bucket list no, Amsterdam. And then ano siya, cycle friendly. Ito number 1 pagdating sa best cycling city in the world no? Amsterdam. So Amsterdam ang napili natin. Kaya babalik-balikan lang natin to para ma-familiarize lang natin yung place sa susunod na bakasyon ko. Alright. Or okay din mag solo. Let's go. Yan, try natin mag canal cruise. Let's go. This is the full POV guys. Doon tayo, may walking park doon. Lakad-lakad lang tayo doon. Oh, may Jollibee dito guys. Jollibee. Jollibee. Ganda no? Ganda ng guys. Ganda ng tawag doon. Architectural designs. Wait. May bike nga. Oh, ayan oh, cycling capital of the world, guys. Ang luwang nung bike lane nila. Oh. Kahit yung bike may traffic din, oh. May traffic din yung bike, guys. Di ba? Yan sila kadisiplinado dito. Diba, guys? Ang saya. It's my dream city, guys, eh. Sundan lang natin yung mga tao kasi turista rin sila. Ganun lang yan. Para hindi ka maligaw. Kahit wala kang maps. Ayun, mga sapatos dun. Gusto ko magpalit ng shoes. O, 40 lang. Pasok tayo dito mo.
May 10 o'clock mama. Sarado pa ang shop.
10? 9:30. Ayo. 10.
Kanya yung bibit-bit ka.
Ito, souvenirs. Oh. Matak t-shirt ko. Amsterdam.
Yung ganyan, pwede na.
Oo nga oh. English breakfast, no? Ito yung mga streets guys, oh. Ganda dito, oh. Pasok tayo dito. Tara, silipin lang natin. Halika na. Para dito hindi malamig, guys. Ayun, maganda yun, no? Shot glass. Shot glass. Coffee shop. Pwede dito coffee shop pa. Maganda.
Napamain ko ni Nigel.
Tako dyan. Coffee shop. Oh, yun.
Kasama pa rin dyan. Adotik pa rin dyan.
Mga skinita guys, oh. Skinishing. Skinizing. Tayo ka dun. Picturean kita dun.
Di ba? Yan, pwede ito. Mga anak. Taga doon ka, bitbit. Ayun, ang maganda.
Ganda din to. Ganda to. Ito may gusto ko. Bike ko guys. Souvenir guys. Oh. The cyclist. Biling ko to.
Ayun, ang maganda yun. Yung blue.
Ito. Oo nga, no? Okay din naman. Pero mas gusto ko ito eh. Sige, yan na. Let's go. May normal din dito. Normal eh. Guwapo guys, oh. Asics na Gore-Tex. Kaso walang sale. Right. Wow. B-roll. Wow. Madame Tussauds. Ganda. Pwede kaya dito magpalipad ng drone. Turista si Madam guys. Sige, maglang.
Tatali, basura.
Kita tarik di ko. Madame Tussauds. Ayun pa, maganda pa yung spot. Magandang spot to. Saan tayo pupunta ba? Oh, babalik tayo sa stasyon. Nandito yung stasyon. Huwag na tayo maglakad. Kasi
Kasi ayun nasa yung
ano ba?
yung restauran na
Amsterdam. Holland, biling ko to. 19. Let's go. Lang lang pang design siya. Cycling capital of the world. Video ya. Video. Video eh.
Thank you.
Thanks. I'm gonna ride the cruise. I'm gonna go now. Right, we're gonna go the canal tour now here in Amsterdam.
What better way to experience this compact and very international city than from the unique perspective of its waterways? There certainly are a lot of them. This city has over 100 kilometers of canal. Amsterdam is known for being friendly, open-minded, and progressive. It's a popular place to visit and do business. Just think, in a population of only 800,000 people, you can meet 170 different nationalities.
This area's rich history has a site as the 15th century Schreier's Tower. This outer defense tower got its name from the scare, or sharp corner, formed by the city walls that met here.
Look to the left. Nothing you see, including the land itself, was here during medieval times. Over the centuries, much of the land around us was wrestled from the sea. To reclaim this polder, or land that was once covered by lakes and seas, industrious Amsterdammers built dikes and used windmills and pumps to get rid of unwanted water. And they've done an amazing and ingenious job of it. When it comes to controlling sea levels, the Netherlands takes the lead worldwide.
Example of the Amsterdam school-style apartment. The front of the building is impressively adorned with statues of temptation. This one.
Dat vaart bij Mark Afra veel monsteren. En dat zag ik ook, want je kijkt toch.
We're now traveling along what was once the outer defense wall of the city. The original city boundary was to the right. To the left, Southwark and the North Sea. The red brick tower coming up ahead of us is the medieval Mantelbahnstore. An ideal lookout for sighting potential invaders, it was built to protect the city's shipyards, wharves, and warehouses from attack. From here, that soldiers armed with longbows, crossbows, and early firearms held arquebuses kept watch over the wide expanses below.
The tower's bright spire
The
and
ground in Amsterdam, a mix of peat, sand, and soil, is very soft. Because of this, buildings were generally designed to be as light as possible. None were very tall, and they often had lots of windows. For stability, they were built on a bed of wooden piles driven as deep as 15 meters, that's 45 feet, into the ground. But if these piles were exposed to the air, they began to rot, and the buildings they supported sank and shifted. Today, water levels in and around the city are carefully controlled to minimize rotting. When new piles are needed, they're made of concrete. Still, you'll see many a house with a sidewalk built.
the Mantelbahnstore with her.
We are now on the Otis-Champs, or Outer Trench Canal. During the 16th century, it served as a defense canal. All the city's canals served one or more of these functions, as a transportation route, a line of defense, or a way to manage water levels. The Otis-Champs, because of its size and location, did all of these. Because it was one of the only canals wide enough for large ships to sail, and because of its proximity to the harbor, the Otis-Champs became a convenient place to unload cargo. Wooden benches and exposed ceiling windows. Its outdoor patio is a great place for watching boats on the canal.
Isa sa oldest area, the city. Late kasi mag-open to ngayon sa 360. Follow nyo lang ako sa Facebook para sa mga pictures.
Spain was an island built in the 17th century to create space for Jewish settlers. At the time, it was called Fluienberg, or Flooding Island. Over time, the name morphed into Florienberg. The Flea Island, and the bustling market held here was called the Flea Market.
Flea market na siya ngayon. Makamura na dyan na kasi ito yung nakikita natin sa na movies yun. Cycling capital, kaya gusto ko dito guys. Cycling capital of the world. Daming bike. Sarap ng bike. Memorial. Ito is the National Opera House. Opera House yun. Pwede na akong tour guide. Ayan guys. Ito. Nice.
Now on the Amstel River, the round white-faced building you see next to the City Hall is the Muziek Theater, or Music Theater. It's home to the Dutch opera, known for its daring productions, the Holland Sinfonia, and the world-renowned Dutch National Ballet. The Dutch may be known for their tolerant attitudes, but they also have strong opinions. This piece of architecture was met with heavy protests that have since simmered down. In fact, that's how it got its name, Stopera. It's derived from the movement against the construction, Stop the Opera. And grown wider with age. Legend has it that whoever you kiss while passing under the bridge will be your true love for life.
Wow. Sana all.
We're now on Herengracht, or the Gentleman's Canal. It was part of a careful plan to expand the city. In the early 17th century, a time of tremendous physical and economic growth, 3 new canals were laid out in concentric rings. The Herengracht was innermost. The Kaisersgracht, or Emperor's Canal, was in the middle, followed by the Prinsengracht, or the Prince's Canal.
The wealthiest citizens, shipbuilders, merchants, investors, and politicians built elegant mansions on the Herengracht. The Kaisersgracht was solidly middle class, while the Prinsengracht had a more industrial atmosphere. Of the 3 canals, the Prinsengracht was the only one that connected directly to the harbor, and its low sides were designed for loading and unloading cargo.
And so, the farther you lived from the city center, the lower your social class. Today, this would no longer hold true. All of the city center is expensive. Our time captain will be slowing down to give everyone a chance to catch a photo of this unique site.
Wait, picture nga doon.
Torbeck Square, Rembrandt Square, a nice place in the evening for Restaurants and discotheques, nightclubs, etc.
Today, almost all of these mansions are used for business.
Parisian furniture being designed was very much in vogue.
As gentlemen, you find on your room in a deep-colored smoking room. A lady, your hostess received you in a light. Musical concerts and grand parties were common, and each house had many rooms dedicated to entertaining. For a first-hand glimpse of life inside an opulent canal house,
Traffic guys, traffic Traffic. Sikip lang ang ano eh. Kanal. One way.
Bij de vijver hier passeert zo de Leidse. Je moet dan.
Okay, let's go.
Laatste guys, bravo. De nog heel fijn.
Parang ano nito, Venice, Italy. Kanal. Okay na to, huwag namang mag-bus. Ito, sumama gusto niya bus. Ito nga ang sikat eh, Canal Tour. Kita mo na lahat ng mga buildings. Kasi lahat naman yung canal. Canal lahat yun guys. Pero ang ganda ng mga ano dito, mga shops. Saya-saya. Balik ako dito sa U-turn. Saan baka talaga dito lang. Dito lang. Right, may tayong full canal tour natin. 1 hour. Sana panoorin niya pa rin yung video na ito.
many tanneries set up shop. And some of the street are somewhat animal-based industry. You can find a bear street, a deer street, and even skin street. In general, though, it was the cow, and sometimes the goat or hare, whose skins were tanned, and these were used to make shoes, saddles, and many other items. Today, you get to experience something very different. The air is fresh,
There are several different types of people, and over the decades, they've gone in and out of fashion. See if you can spot them all. The oldest type is the spout tape. This basic triangular shape is seen only on warehouses. The 17th century strap moved just as it was back. The neck shape, with its straight up and down sides and full decoration, followed by the bell shape, which has a more rounded bell-like shape. By the 18th century, the cornice of the
Building. Triangle shape.
There was a strong tradition of moving things this way, as even newly constructed houses have narrow stairways and are still
stone and brick were
It's the
spent.
largest church now.
The tower proved to be too heavy for the supports it was built on, which were
Largest
thought to
tower
be second
in Netherlands.
and it started to leak. But de Keyser's two sons took over the project.
and was buried in an unmarked grave.
Unmarked grave daw.
That included the selling of leather and whale oil products.
Picturesque.
And of course, beer brewers, which gave the Brewers Canal its name. Because water quality was so poor, people turned to beer as a safer, healthier drink. Only the rich could afford wine, which was poisonous and
Many of the buildings
Hoe wordt het deze?
guys.
Flush water from the
Lalaki ito
mouth,
pag
keeping them clean.
sasara ito pag high tide.
Amsterdam replaces the gates every 50 years or so. If you look closely, you might find a date these gates were last replaced. It's recorded on the gates themselves.
Como Mario. Goedemorgen. Waar ze nog?
From a huge multi-level bike parking area to a
cycling
conservative filled to
capital.
capacity with bikes. More people bike than drive to work. And it's estimated that the city has around 1.6 million bikes. That's more bikes than people. In typical Dutch style, the bikes are very practical. Simple speed coasters with foot brakes. Sometimes even
Ito yung mall na direkta.
carries everything under the sun,
Ito yung mall direkta yan.
including children.
Connected siya tapos
In Amsterdam, expect to see everyone from the sophisticated business executive to the harried mother of three, hopping away on a two-wheeler.
Cycling capital of the world.
Central Station, the transportation hub of Amsterdam, is built on 3 artificial islands and is supported by around 8,600 wooden piles. The building was designed by 2 architects, Kuipers and Van Gent, and its front is really quite amazing. Made of red brick and white accents, it's a combination of Neo-Renaissance style and Neo-Gothic towers, and is called eclectical architecture.
Dank u, fijne vaart. Vliegtuig achteruit bij collega's de lovers.
Coming full circle, we're now approaching Dagblad, the original mouth of the Amstel, and nearing the end of our cruise. It's here, where the Amstel once met the egg, that a few peasants with dreams of building a future spawned this great city. Clearly, their ingenuity and hard work have paid off. That first dam across the river started a series of events that's led to the incredibly unique and Amsterdam we're able to enjoy today.
Yan, English breakfast. Yan, bacon, sausage, egg, ano to, potato, hash brown, and then the Heinz na ano, yan, sikat na ang tawag dito. English breakfast. Napanood ko to sa vlog eh. Kalimutan ko kanina. Here's a All-Star Steakhouse. Ayan. Birthday girl. Nandito tayo sa mga malalaking ferry guys. Alright, dito ko natapusin ng vlog. Yung next vlog natin is hop on hop off naman ng bus. Libutin natin yung city. Let's go from Amsterdam. Let's go. Bike lane nila guys, so kasya dalawang kotse. Dami nagbabike. Yan, ito na yung Beamhuis, yun yung bus station. Layo pala oh. Ito yung central, umikot kami going here. Ngayon, ayan na Wimhush para sa hapon na hop-off na bus. Kulit si mother, gusto niya hapon na hop-off pa eh. Nag-canal cruise na nga kami. Ito yung ano naman nila, ferry na tawid dun sa kabila. Alright, tapusin ko na talaga yung vlog. Transfer ko na yung files, tapos kita-kits tayo sa next clip. Charge ko lang to saglit. Let's go!